Hi everybody, my name is Scott Ferguson with Waterton, and this morning my kids would like some breakfast, and I've got 3 helpers with me.
Joshua Ferguson.
Joshua.
Abby Ferguson.
Abby.
Rose Ferguson.
Good job, Clara Rose. So they're gonna help me make, what are we making today, Clara?
Chocolate chip pancake. Banana pancake.
And what else?
Sausage and syrup.
We could go the easy way and make pancakes from a box, but Joshua here is a little bit of a pancake snob. He's been, his favorite food since he was younger than Clara has been pancakes. It's not as hard as you think it is. This is a secret recipe that I found on the internet. And we start with 2.5 cups of flour.
I want to pour it.
You can help pour it in just a second. There's 1.
I can do that too.
There's 2. And we want to do is separate the dry ingredients, right? Which is the flour, sugar, and wet ingredients. So we'll start the yuckiest banana because it tastes really good in the pancakes, right? Can you open it?
Egg smash.
I don't know what this thing is actually for, but it smashes bananas pretty well.
Yeah.
Okay, Abby.
Yeah?
2.5 teaspoons of baking powder.
Dad,
And we'll
I did
use that.
good, Dad.
Keep going.
And just a pinch of salt.
Keep going.
Dad, is it all done?
And 2 tablespoons of
Is it all
sugar.
done,
You should
Dad?
keep going.
You know how I measure? You know how I measure tablespoons of sugar?
No.
Like that. I wash my hands for how long?
Don't smash.
How long do we wash our hands in quarantine?
20 seconds.
20 seconds.
Okay, all done.
Alright, let's get these out of the way.
All done? Okay.
Now,
That's what we're doing.
What else do we do, Dad?
we
Just
do
wait that.
with a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Claire, can you hold that over the bananas? 2 eggs. Alright, stir it up, whisk it.
Mush the yellow.
Yep, keep mushing it all together. You know what we forgot to do?
No.
Is start the sausage.
Oh, yeah.
The key to making sausage is remember to start the sausage.
My turn. My turn, Daddy. Is it my turn yet? Sure.
And now we're gonna do a cup of milk.
Yep, done.
And I use buttermilk instead of regular milk because it tastes much better in the pancakes.
Can I?
Regular milk works just
Let's
fine.
do it in this bowl.
Here's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients.
Got it. I'll smush it.
Well, I don't need you to smush it. I need you to cut them up.
Yep, got it.
Do that? You got it?
I got it.
Abby, what's that?
Okay, there we go. Now we make this actually look like toast bananas.
Sausage is coming along nicely.
Might not taste good, like smell good right now, but it will.
You did a great job, Clara. And Joshua. These in there.
It's fruit. I love fruit.
This is for.
Excited for those. Just right now.
So if you are taking notes of the amount of ingredients at the beginning, don't.
It's a little
I need the
baby.
next piece.
No.
Can I have some?
Okay, let's get cooking. So I use a 1/3 cup measure to measure out the pancakes.
Can I do a couple?
The key to really good pancakes is butter. Joshua, do you want to do these? I'm going to do the first one.
Alrighty.
Make it look like that.
Can I do a couple?
Right over the, you're gonna flip them.
Like a pancake. Okay.
Dad, can I do a couple?
3 at a time.
Alright. Never mind. Alright, go ahead.
No.
Come off. There we go.
No.
Abby, go ahead and flip. Try to keep it on the, there you go.
I like chocolate chip pancakes with those.
Because
Raspberries, Joshua?
yes, please.
There you go.
Thank you.
And 2 chocolate chip pancakes for Abby. And let me get Clara's. There you go.
It's very not the pancake.
Yeah, I know.
Clara, try a bite of your pancakes.
That'd be very weird. Sides of every raspberry. There's something in here. A piece
Clara.
of flour.
How is it?
Let's see.
Here, moment of truth. Did I screw up the ingredients or do they still taste good? Thumbs up, thumbs down. This is very suspenseful.
Perfect.
All right. Abby, do you approve?
Every piece of taste matches perfectly with everything else.
Thumbs and toes up, huh? All right.
The raspberry surprisingly matches with the sausage, and both of them match with the pancake. And mine,
You've got quite the culinary mind, son.
And mine, it's